This video will provide instructions on how to operate the second floor Crestron classrooms. This tutorial applies to the classrooms listed below. Step 1. Initiating the system. To power on the projector and system, press the Start button located on the touchpad. Step 2. Selecting a laptop input. If you're planning to use your own device, select Laptop in the top left corner. Our system offers 3 inputs: HDMI, VGA with audio cord, and mini display. Select your input, plug in your device, and wait approximately 30 seconds for the system to load as the screen lowers. Step 3. Using the Lectern PC. If you don't have your own device, you can also use the Lectern PC. Select Lectern PC on the touch panel and make sure to turn on the Smart Podium display. Step 4. Shutting down the system. When you've completed using the room, touch the bottom right power button and select Yes, Shut Down System. The system should take about 30 seconds to shut down, and the projector screen should go up automatically. For further assistance, please call or email us. Thank you.